Aren't these flowers pretty? Since you won't take a picture of me, I'm just gonna take a video. We're going on a walk in the neighborhood and maybe to find food because we haven't eaten today. And it is 6 p.m. Happy Saturday. This is some of the neighborhood. Who wants to know 5 signs you're dating a Dominican? Comment below. I already have one. I've never heard of this until I moved here. Who puts an onion next to your bed when you sleep? Because it will make you not sick in the night. Like keep away colds and stuff. Not sure, it doesn't sound true. Like just an onion, like not even peeled. So anywhere we go, he wants an onion in the room. So one sign. Huh? I mean anywhere else you want one too. Sounds fake. Hi, pup. This street, I don't even know. We're in the middle of the road. I don't even know where we are. What neighborhood are we in?
Villa Olga.
Villa
Olga.
Oh, I knew that. Some houses are really big. This neighborhood's really quiet right now. Like
Top 5.
Alright, we're gonna say this is one of the top 5 neighborhoods in Santiago from a local himself. All those old men sitting in the park in that building. It's like the Domino's place. So every time I drive by, guys are playing dominoes there, which is super popular here. I don't even know how to play, but they get like really serious. So that place, it's called Squeezed, and it's in Santiago, and that's where I work remotely a lot, so they have Wi-Fi. And it's never crowded usually, so I'll just go and work on my computer there on my remote jobs for a while, and I like it. It's kind of expensive, like for here, so I don't go too much, but if you're in Santiago and you like smoothies, that's the place. They do like green smoothies, juices, the power juices, and then they have really good food too, and it's all healthy, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. So that's like a good healthy option that's here. Listen to these birds. I don't know what's going on in this tree, but there's like a million birds screaming. Place I also love, not so healthy because balance, is empanadas, quipes. They have different options like meat in them, chicken, beef, Ones with like chicken and corn, cheese, pizza. They're really good. I love that. And if you're in Santiago, this one you should definitely try. I think this one's really cheap. So like an empanada is like 30 pesos, quipe is 40, or vice versa. Last night when we got back at like 1:45, 2 in the morning, there was an earthquake here. I did not notice at all, obviously. I was in the bathroom like taking out my contacts. And when I do that, I feel like I'm always dizzy. Traumatic. And so maybe that's why I just like was just dizzy from that. But yeah, my boyfriend was like next door, ran over, started like ringing my doorbell and said he could like see the chandelier like swinging back and forth through the window. And his parents ran out and everything. So there was an earthquake. I saw people in the street when we went outside.